Hey there, history buffs. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our journey through the ages. Today, we're exploring the grand and powerful Roman Empire, a civilization that left an immense legacy in politics, engineering, architecture, and culture. From the foundation of Rome to the rise of emperors and the eventual fall, there's so much to uncover. Let's dive into the incredible story of ancient Rome. Legend has it that Rome was founded in 753 BCE by Romulus and Remus, twin brothers raised by a she-wolf. This myth highlights Rome's humble beginnings and its rise to greatness. Archaeological evidence suggests that early Rome was a small agricultural community situated along the Tiber River. Its strategic location helped it grow into a thriving city. Fast forward to 509 BCE, when Rome transitioned from a monarchy to a republic. This era was marked by the establishment of a complex system of governance with checks and balances. The Roman Senate, a powerful body of patricians, played a crucial role in decision-making. The Republic also saw the creation of the 12 Tables, Rome's first code of laws, which laid the foundation for Roman legal principles still influential today. During the Republic, Rome expanded its territory through military conquest and alliances. Famous leaders like Julius Caesar emerged, whose military genius and political ambition played pivotal roles in shaping Rome's destiny. The assassination of Julius Caesar in 44 BCE marked the end of the Roman Republic and the beginning of the Roman Empire. Caesar's adopted heir, Octavian, later known as Augustus, became Rome's first emperor in 27 BCE. Augustus ushered in a period of peace and prosperity known as the Pax Romana, which lasted for over 200 years. During the Pax Romana, Rome saw immense architectural and engineering achievements. The Colosseum, a massive amphitheater capable of seating up to 80,000 spectators, hosted gladiatorial games and public spectacles. The Pantheon, with its impressive dome, remains a marvel of engineering. Roman aqueducts, roads, and bridges exemplify the advanced infrastructure that supported the vast empire. Rome wasn't just about power and politics. It was also a center of culture and learning. Roman literature flourished with poets like Virgil, who wrote the epic Aeneid, and historians like Livy and Tacitus, who documented Rome's history. Roman law and governance principles influenced many modern legal systems and political structures. The Romans were also great innovators in the arts. Their sculptures and mosaics adorned public buildings and private homes, reflecting both Greek influences and their own unique style. What was daily life like for the average Roman? The bustling city of Rome was home to a diverse population. The Forum was the heart of Roman public life, a place for commerce, politics, and social gatherings. Public baths were popular spots for relaxation and socializing. Roman homes varied greatly, from luxurious villas of the wealthy to the crowded insulae, or apartment buildings, of the poor. Religion played a significant role in Roman life, with a pantheon of gods and goddesses. Over time, the spread of Christianity brought profound changes, eventually becoming the state religion under Emperor Constantine in the 4th century CE. Despite its grandeur, the Roman Empire faced numerous challenges that led to its decline. Economic troubles, political instability, and military defeats weakened the empire. In 476 CE, the last Roman emperor of the West, Romulus Augustulus, was deposed by the Germanic king Odoacer, marking the fall of the Western Roman Empire. However, the Eastern Roman Empire, known as the Byzantine Empire, continued to thrive for another 1,000 years, preserving much of Rome's heritage and contributing to the Renaissance centuries later. Today, we've journeyed through the rise and fall of the Roman Empire, exploring its incredible achievements and enduring legacy. From its legendary foundation to its monumental architecture and cultural contributions, Rome's impact on the world is undeniable. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into ancient Rome. Which part of Roman history fascinates you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more historical adventures. Next time, we'll be exploring the Silk Road and its role in connecting the ancient world. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.